Peru's main growth engines is also getting foreign investment help. The world's second largest copper miner is getting a boost from Chinese projects. Dan Collyns has more from Lima.
China has some $20 billion of copper mining projects in the pipeline in Peru. China Minmetal's MMG subsidiary's latest acquisition is the Las Bambas copper mine. The $7 billion sale means Chinese backers are behind 1/3 of all Peru's new mining investments by value. Another Chinese mining investment already up and running is Chinalco's $4.8 billion Toromocho copper mine. It started production in December 2013 with expectations of boosting Peru's copper output, cementing it as a pillar of Peru's economy. After a batch of disappointing growth figures, Peru is betting heavily on China's massive investment in new copper mines to revitalize its mineral export-based economy. Weak mining activity has dragged down Peru's economic growth rate this year to its slowest pace since 2009. Earlier this week, Peru's economy ministry cut its view of this year's official economic growth from 5.5% to just over 4%. But growth is expected to improve as officials predict Peru will add more than 1 million tons of copper to its production by 2016, making it the world's second largest producer. But some analysts worry Peru could become overly reliant on Chinese investment.
The copper market is dominated by China. It will not make us increasingly primary export and therefore more dependent from mineral exports in general terms, but more dependent on China in more specific terms, no? And therefore increasingly exposed to the volatile nature of these markets.
Local conflicts over land and water rights can make mining investment in Peru a tricky business. 3 years ago, local protests halted the $5 billion Minas Conga gold mining project over water supply concerns. Authorities say they're confident future investments like the multi-billion Las Bambas project won't make the same mistakes.
After 3 years of construction, Las Bambas doesn't have any problems. It's an example of how the companies can work hand in hand with the state and the community.
If these flashpoints can be avoided, Peru could well be on its way to becoming the world's second largest copper producer. Dan Collyns, CCTV, Lima.